All right, guys, is the DEWALT 20V max drill worth it? And I'm gonna say absolutely. I've been using DEWALT forever. They last for a long time. They're super durable, and they just get the job done. And so this is a really good drill. It's you can pop out the batteries. This pack comes with 2 batteries. It also comes with the charger and the bag. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can click this to go forward, backwards. This is where you're going to be changing what kind of strength you want it for the drill. 1 power, 2 power. It's got different ones, up to 1500 RPMs, which is nice. And then this is how you put the drill bits in. Either close it or open it. Also, if you put this part in the middle, it's like a trigger, so it you can't use it. There's also a light right here, which is really nice. They're just, yeah, they're just durable, reliable, powerful drills, which is so nice when you are doing a job because you want it to get done. And yeah, these things are just great. I do not have any complaints about them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.